Let's solve one more problem from the gate physics. The problem states that what is the number of atom per unit cell in a face centered cubic lattice, so FCC. So we will draw the figure, so it will be so this 8 corners will have along with 6 faces for half contribution. So it have 8 corners atom, 8 corner atoms contributing 1 by 8, so it will be 1, and 6 face atoms contributing half, so it will be 3. So the total it will be 4 atoms per unit cell, so it will be 1 plus 3 equal to 4. So the final answer is 4 atoms per unit cell. Hope the solution is clear. So thank you.